I've actually never met someone who is genuinely anti my moko.
Moko kanohi, he taonga tuku iho, he taonga ka whaia e tōku reanga, he tōku whānau, kei te whakaaro ake au, mō tōku ara ki te maumoko kanohi. I roto i taku ara ki te maumoko, i ui au i te pātai ki aku hoa maumoko kauai, aku hoa mataora. He aha te aha i roto i te ao o te moko kanohi.
He aha te tino take i whiwhi moko koe?
Well, te take matua i whai moko au, e au, he Māori. I reira ngā mai, engari he Māori, koina te take.
I tino manawa titi te maumoko, kārehe a wangawanga, kārehe a mai, I tino rite au.
My moko kauai is sort of a culmination of lots of reasons. I felt I was ready for it and that I was wanting it once I turned 21. As well as that, my mum, she was really sick, and so she wanted to get her moko kauai before she had to have treatment that wouldn't allow her to have any ink in her skin. And all on one day it was me, my mum and 3 of my taua. We got it at the same time.
For your fella's age group, was it normal?
It's only recently become normalised in our whānau, really. We all do our peha for our 21st ki, and the next year I did my mataora. I wasn't really too worried about if it was going to be normal or not, but I think probably because my whānau made it feel safe.
Mena ka whaere whānui koe ki te ao, kei te pēnā tonu o wheako?
I etahi wā kao.
Yeah, nā, he tino rereke mea hiko ana māua, ki ro te tiriti o Kirikiroa even. And ngā karu e whai ana I a koe, ngā wā katoa.
Could be pretty bad.
You haven't
Depending
experienced
what
that?
suburb you're in. I've actually never met someone who is genuinely anti my moko. It's almost always been curiosity, like what does it mean? Please give me the entire history of moko kauai in 5 minutes.
Even if it's a riri thing, it doesn't sit with me anyway. And I don't want to do the cliche, they might have something going on.
Too late, you've done it.
But I know I don't have the thing going on.
Yeah,
you know,
right.
so if it's not me, it must.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I think maybe before my moko kauai, I wasn't 100% sure on how it was going to be navigating the world with the moko kauai. But that fear was never big enough for me to seriously consider not getting it.
I think it's just education around the tapu of the moko. A lot of people are still wangawanga about their own tikanga and their own kōrero around moko. And I think if you just go home and find out a little bit about it, you get a little less scared of it.